This video suggests how to tighten the loose vagina in minutes at home and enjoy lovely moments. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos. There are multiple reasons for a woman's genital passage to be loose or wide. And there are a lot of ways to tighten the loose vagina in minutes. Reasons for loose vagina. It might be heredity, or many of them develop this after childbirth. Fluctuations in hormone, pregnancy, menopause, weight, health and age factors all lead to the flaccid passage. These factors affect in a way that they loosen the area of natural tension, posing a lot of problems. This condition might lead to a lack of interest in sex and eventually hamper your relationship in a big way. As the genital skin is soft and elastic, it eventually does lose its elasticity after extensive use and an immense amount of pressure. Common reasons for flaccid genital walls. Pregnancy and childbirth. This is the greatest price that a woman has to pay for bringing a baby to this world. The tightness and the strength of her genital passage are lost when a baby is born, and often the genital walls widen the whole perineum, the region between the vagina and anus. Also, during labor, the genital and cervical muscles experience a repeated contraction and relaxation that leads to loss of elasticity of the genital walls. Masturbation or repeated sexual intercourse. There is contraction and relaxation movement involved during sex or masturbation. This contraction and relaxation again lead to loss of elasticity in the genital muscles. Women should also take care of while too much force is applied during copulation. This can destroy the opening, lead to destroyed elasticity. But you can tighten the loose vagina in minutes with some exercises. How to tighten loose vagina at home. Contracting and relaxing technique. Contracting and relaxing groin muscles for at least 10 times at a stretch. During this activity, try to locate the pubiococcygeus muscle and contract and relax that for a better tightening. This is a good way to tighten the loose vagina in minutes. Also, try to contract the pubiococcygeus muscle at the time of urination and hold the urine for 5 seconds before continuing the urine. Try doing this every time you feel like urinating. Leg up exercise. Lie down on your back on the floor and lift your legs up one by one. Try holding the legs straight instead of bending them. Lift and lower the legs alternatively. A little variation can be made in this exercise by lifting the legs sideways. Repeat all these movements for 1 minute and then change the legs side. Repeat this exercise for 10 minutes and try to perform these 5 times a day to tighten the loose vagina in minutes. Bonus tip. The use of Aabab tablets is a non-surgical way to tighten loose vagina at home. These pills are designed for loose genital walls and are a great non-surgical vaginal tightening method. Aabab tablets are a unique way to restore your loose genital passage back to normal shape and size at home without surgery. The pill is to be inserted in your genital passage and it will start working within 30 minutes. After inserting these pills, enjoy your lovemaking episodes to the fullest. The ingredients presented that is Quercus infecoria and Argilla vitrea luteum are released in the genital passage and help to tighten the genital walls at home. These natural pills balance pH level, fight infection, enhance pleasure, remove odor and increase sensation. World's finest vagina tightening pills. "100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence. Buy Aabab tablets at naturogain.com. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Do you have any health queries? If you have any questions or need further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Feel free to email your queries at remediesofyoush@gmail.com or simply post your queries right here in the comment area. Press the bell on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related videos for more information and health tips.